From hobbyist to pro, why Jetson Orin Nano 8GB unlocks next-level AI projects. You know that moment when your project feels stuck, no matter how hard you push? Maybe your robot stutters or your AI model lags, and it feels like your tools are fighting against you instead of helping. Frustrating, right? Ever felt like your setup holds you back? Drop your biggest AI headache in the comments. I bet you're not alone. Stress piles up fast, missed launches, mounting errors, and hardware that just can't keep pace. Burnout creeps in when you're spending more time troubleshooting than creating. It doesn't have to stay this way. Imagine if there was a way to speed up your AI development, scale your prototypes, and get back in control without drowning in extra complexity. Say hello to the Jetson Orin Nano 8GB Developer Kit, a breakthrough design for those who demand serious AI performance in a compact form factor. This little powerhouse delivers up to 67 TOPS, running vision transformers, language models, and real-time robotics with ease. It's armed with an Ampere GPU and 6-core ARM CPU, so multitasking pipelines feel smooth, not sluggish. The 8GB LPDDR5 memory ensures large AI models and multiple camera streams run without choking. Need more? The carrier board supports dual MIPI CSI connectors for high-res sensors, while the form factor stays fully nano-compatible, so you can upgrade without rebuilding from scratch. And here's a mini story. One robotics researcher swapped their rover's brain for the Orin Nano and instantly unlocked advanced navigation, obstacle avoidance, and image recognition all at once. Here's one way the Orin Nano saved the day for a busy innovator. Keep reading for the bonus trick at the end. The benefits go beyond raw numbers. They transform how you work. Developers rave about smoother AI inference. Analysts point to democratization of edge AI. And creators say it's the perfect brain for advanced robotics projects. Imagine prototyping with NVIDIA's full AI stack. Jetpack, TensorRT, CUDA, Omniverse Replicator, and shaving weeks off your workflow. One expert said, "It's not just powerful, it's accessible. The SDK feels like cheating time itself." Influencers show drones flying longer with smarter autonomy thanks to its 7 to 15 watt power efficiency. Students gush about real-time object detection running locally, no cloud fees attached. A startup founder shared, "For our smart cameras, the Orin Nano hit the sweet spot of power, memory, and ecosystem. It got us to market faster than we dreamed possible." Even casual users are shocked. It ran multi-camera vision without lag. Setup was painless. And now the question, which feature would save your day? Speed, memory, or efficiency? Comment below. See why thousands can't stop talking about this platform. It's not just a tool. It feels like unlocking hidden potential you didn't know your projects had. This is your signal. Don't watch the AI wave pass you by while others leap ahead. Thousands of developers, makers, and innovators are already building smarter robots, vision systems, and prototypes with this kit. Join them today and see the difference. And here's your bonus. Click now to uncover a hidden feature in the ecosystem that makes everything run even smoother. Why wait? Your next big project could start the second you hit play.